Rachel, this is the vibe. We need to fix this before I go anywhere. I was thinking of going for a walk to Starbucks. I have a newfound love for a drink that my sister-in-law put me on. It is the matcha oat milk latte with, instead of having the original syrup, you replace it with peppermint syrup, and I'm a peppermint girly, so I'm kind of obsessed with it. It's really freaking good. I did not go to the gym today. I feel like doo-doo, but I am not feeling good. I don't know what's up with me. Every time I get back on my shit and I'm back in the gym, I literally feel like I get slowed right back down because I get sick. So I felt sick this weekend. We went to Niagara Falls. I had a girls trip. It was super fun, super relaxing. And then day after, so we stayed up till 3 in the morning, you know. When you're in Niagara Falls, you go to the casino, go for dinner, you have a good time. But then that only meant that I didn't really get enough sleep. And then the next day I promised my nephews that I was gonna go see them and have like this really cute sleepover. We'll make hot chocolate and have just like a vibe, Christmas vibe. And we did all that and it was really, really fun. However, I also went to bed like probably just after midnight. Like I always fall asleep with them when I put them to bed. And then I go and get up to go into my room and then I'm like wide awake. And like me and Mike were just like chatting and whatever, catching up because I obviously didn't come to the girls trip. Anyways, moral story, I didn't get enough sleep. So I took NyQuil last night and today I'm feeling hella heavy-headed. Probably it's a NyQuil too, which doesn't help, but it did help my headache and my throat was really hurting. So I mean, I did something right, but today is just not a gym day, which really sucks because it's like every Monday from a weekend of chaos. Sometimes I'm really good and I'm fine to go to the gym, but like I said, I just keep getting freaking sick. So I really hope that this does not disrupt my journey because I'm trying to actually deficit again and go a little bit smaller. The weight doesn't really matter for me, it's more how I look because I want to cut out literally almost all my fat, to be real with you, before I bulk, and that's just kind of where I'm at right now. That's my goal. I don't feel like bulking where I'm at right now. I just don't feel confident, if you will, to be bulking. Like, I look good, I'm not gonna say I don't. Like I have the confidence. I'm not here to be like, oh, I'm so fat. I like the progress of my gym result, but I've just been maintaining. So I want to cut a little bit more and bulk, baby, and then if I like my results, I'll still maintain. And if I want to do a bulk in the next winter, I will, because that's what I did this summer. I literally maintained, lived my life. Like I still went to the gym by all means and like again maintained a healthy lifestyle, but like I didn't go crazy and the way it was in the winter, which to others might sound crazy. To me it was just normal, and people think it's so hard to do it in the winter, and I'm crazy then because I think it is so much easier to do it in the winter. I feel like nobody bothers me. I barely go out in the winter. Once the Christmas rush is over and shopping is done, like what am I really doing? I wanted to be bulking just before Christmas. Don't think I'm gonna be there, and that's fine because lucky we're in Canada and our winter is really 6 months of cold. I wanted to talk about the Vanish Airbrush Concealer by Hourglass. My best friend put me on this concealer. They did not have my shade in the full size. So she's like, you know what, just get a tester. You'll probably like it, but just get the tester anyways just to see, because what if you don't like it and you really fucking hate it? And I tried it and I'm obsessed. It's thick, but it's creamy. I think when you look good, you feel good, and I just want to feel good today, and I don't want to believe that I'm sick. I can already hear the congestion. On another note, I'm trying to get Botox covered because this muscle right here where I have TMJ, I think it's called the masseter muscle if I'm not mistaken, I do need to get that corrected. So my dentist has been bothering me about this for years, but I always thought Botox wasn't covered, and if I can, I'm gonna get that done probably in the new year or sooner because it's driving me up the wall, and I think it contributes to my neck pain and me getting sick, truthfully. I do think I am run down overall though. I don't know, I feel like I do a lot of things, or I always try and get a lot of stuff done, and eventually I just burn myself out, and I know I'm not the only one. I'm sure it contributes also to me getting sick because like I said, I get stressed, run down, and it all goes hand in hand. The blush is blushing. Let's get on this walk. I don't want to be grocery shopping and making dinner at midnight, and the time change, so it's so fucking dark in Canada. I always say in Canada like nobody else has time change. I didn't even know that other people have time change. Daylight savings, yeah. I thought we were the only ones. I'm like, why is it so dark over here and everywhere else is so bright? I'm gonna take the L. This is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing this Skims dupe from Temu, I believe I got it from, or it could have been Shein, I don't know, whichever one. I got these at Blue Notes. They're just like long, they kind of remind me of the Aritzia. I don't know if you know, you know, it's the Aritzia like long sweatpants with these pockets on the side, and they were like 20 bucks at Blue Notes. I don't shop there, but I was at the outlets like I mentioned in Niagara, and I was like, slay. Like, I literally doing the total opposite of what I said I was gonna do. I said to myself, it's almost dinner time. I still need to go to the grocery store, but I need to justify why we're not walking, but I am going to get my steps in because I have to go to the grocery store. And I might even pop into Marshall's because I do need a dress for Michael's Christmas party. My justifications are impeccable, to say the least.
Starbucks, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a tall matcha oat milk latte? Can you replace the syrup for the regular with peppermint syrup instead?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You too. This drink, you really need to try it. If you like matcha, but you don't like the overpowering of like just matcha, this really hits different. And if you're a peppermint girly, then I don't know what you're waiting for, honestly. Marshall's was for my mother-in-law, and it was this pajama set. These are so soft. I love this PJ set. Stay tuned because I am going to be showing you guys a whole new gift guide of what to give people this holiday season. It just looks like this. This is just the PJ top. So cute. I really do like the quality. They're so soft. These were from Marshall's. They were $34, but they're so worth the quality for a pant and top. I feel like you really can't go wrong with that. And then I also picked up this cute little house. I mean, this is adorable. Like, I feel like you just really can't go wrong. And you just put a little tea light candle here, and it's safe to light. It has all the ventilation. Put it wherever, and I just thought it was so adorable. Instead of putting on the light switch, I feel like it's even cozier having a little candle in there. And to be honest, this by itself just looks really freaking cute. So bought this. This was, I believe, $16. All right, so I just got home. I got my cottage cheese, which we're gonna use for my chicken sauce that I'm gonna make. Basically, I found this really perfect high protein recipe, but I normally put it in a wrap. But today I'm gonna put it in a pasta. I think I've done it once before. I have my chicken breast in the air fryer. I had to rush, so that's in there, getting all nice and ready. And then throw my pasta in. The pasta water is boiling, and while that's getting done, we're gonna hit some of the decor. Alright, you guys, so I'm doing this voiceover here because I lost all my audio when I'm trying to break down my winter shower routine. And in the meanwhile, while I'm doing that right now, I'm just using my micellar water to remove my makeup. So for shampoo and conditioner, I use the Sebastian Dark Oil, and it is such a lightweight shampoo and leaves my hair feeling squeaky clean literally after the first wash. So then I'll go in and wash my face while my conditioner is still in my hair. I do pass some of the conditioner through my scalp, so I try not to leave it in there too long. So I will go ahead and wash my face. This is the CeraVe Cream to Foam. It's the only one I use. All those other cream face washes are just not gonna cut it for me. Once I rinse my conditioner out, I will add a hair mask once a week, and this is the Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask that my best friend got for me. And I did look up the price to buy another one. I did not realize how bougie it is, but it does leave my hair smelling so good and soft. For body wash, I am using the Olay with hyaluronic acid. It is just a little bit more strong in scent compared to the Dove one that I previously used. And then once I'm done with water still in my body, I will go in with some baby oil. And I feel like if it's good for babies, it's good for us. So I honestly love it all year round, but especially in the winter, it's the best. And then there I'm just spraying some Revlon all-in-one leave-in conditioner throughout my hair. And then I'll just brush it out, shake my head out a little bit of the excess water, and then style it with my Dyson.